Don't let the DirectX DLL end your session. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll guide you through the scan to restore your gaming performance.
Before we begin our DirectX troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the DirectX Update 21, a legacy DirectX 9.0c component. It manages unmanaged math and rendering functions for specialized gaming manifests, requiring the February 2005 runtime data link.
Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library.
If DirectX DLL is missing, it typically indicates a break in your system's rendering stack. Use the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime web installer to restore legacy D3DX and Xaudio files, then verify your GPU drivers to support any OpenCL or OpenGL dependencies.
When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required.
A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the DirectX file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again.
With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. To fix persistent graphics initialization errors, you should download the DirectX End-User Runtime to restore the missing software bridges. This package contains the full set of legacy libraries required for multimedia applications, and it will automatically replace your DLL file if it is missing from your system directory. Why are we doing this? Well, the standard DirectX version included with Windows 10 and 11 is built for modern games and often lacks the backward compatibility needed for the specific file causing your error. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components.
Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing DirectX DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols.
As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track.
If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to DirectX. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved DirectX error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.